Dive into the world of interior design and embark on a quest to uncover the aesthetic that makes your home distinctly you. It's a journey of self-discovery, where every choice reflects your personal taste and enhances the beauty and functionality of your living space. Begin by pinpointing styles that speak to you. Are you drawn to the clean lines of minimalism or the eclectic vibes of bohemian chic? Compile an inspiration board with images from magazines or digital platforms like Pinterest, focusing on elements that resonate with your vision for the perfect home. Your lifestyle is the heartbeat of your home's design. A clutter-free, minimalistic bathroom, for example, can transform your daily routine into a serene experience. Let your day-to-day life guide the decor, ensuring your space is not just beautiful but practical. Survey your current surroundings. What features can stay and what can be adapted? Embrace the unique architectural details, from elegant trim work to the grandeur of high ceilings, and let them complement your evolving aesthetic. Colors are the soul of your space. While neutrals like gray and white are timeless, don't shy away from splashes of color to infuse warmth and personality. Select shades and textures that harmonize with your home's character for a truly cohesive look. Make a bold statement with pieces that epitomize your chosen aesthetic. Whether it's an eye-catching sculpture or a one-of-a-kind chair, these items can spark conversations and anchor your home's design narrative. Create a tapestry of design by blending various elements. Introduce a mix of materials like wood and metal and play with patterns to add vibrancy to neutral tones. This eclectic approach can bring depth and intrigue to your space. Remember, crafting the perfect aesthetic is a marathon, not a sprint. Allow yourself the freedom to experiment and refine your choices. Patience and creativity will lead you to a home that's not only stylish but a true reflection of you.